Hello, this is the video to address question number 6 in case study 12. We will be talking about the uneven cash flow stream stemming from the lease agreement. So based on the case study, it says that there is some extra space at one of its locations that the surgery center might lease out for 5 years. The initial renovation cost is going to be estimated at $40,000, but then it gives the inflows expected from the lease to follow the pattern. So I just typed that in my Excel sheet. The year 0 is that $40,000 initially invested in the lighting and new flooring. And then each of the subsequent years, it has the amounts that are supposed to be coming in as revenues for this new area. So question 6 says, what is the present value of the annual lease cash flows if the opportunity cost rate is 10% annually? So the discount rate is 10%, and then we're just working from years 1 to 5. We're not considering this $40,000 investment yet. The present value function is, unfortunately, you can't see me build my formula here because for some reason, the screen share won't let us do that in live. So what you're doing this time is using the net present value function, NPV. So you're going to set it up with equals NPV, and then the first thing that it's going to ask you for is the rate. So you're clicking on this 10% discount rate, and then it's asking you for the cash flows. So you're just going to be highlighting these years 1 through 5 to give your flows. And then you close it with the parentheses, and then you come out with $47,328.61. So that's the answer for 6A. 6C, we don't do problem B in this. So 6C says, does the office renovation and subsequent lease agreement appear to be a good investment for the company? And then it gives you a hint. Compare the cost of renovation with the present value of the lease payments. And it still is using a 10% discount rate. So you're doing something very similar what you did before. You're going to take the net present value of these years 1 through 5, and you'll figure that out, but then you add in that initial investment of $40,000. You'll be able to see this on the Excel file that we send out to you, but just take my word for it. You do the net present value, and then you add that initial investment, which should be a negative number, and then your present value, including the renovation, should end up being $7,328.61. Because this is a positive number, it means that you're getting back all of that $40,000 that you spent plus an extra $7,000. So it does appear to be a good investment. There would be an expected inflow of that $7,000 above and beyond the covered $40,000 required to renovate. So this extra $7,000 makes this appear to be a good investment. Hopefully that is helpful to you and you can understand that, follow that. Again, sorry that you can't see the formula builder, but check our spreadsheet to see that. Thank you.